Hi, welcome dear students to sixth video of chapter 4. Today I am going to explain about the following topics: steps to protect privacy, software piracy, steps to prevent software piracy, intellectual property right. Previous class I explained about the spamming, phishing and hacking. So what is individual right to privacy? So individual right of privacy. I'm talking about the internet. Internet is used for a variety of functions. Now, its use can affect the privacy rights and personal data of a person. So the right to privacy can be defined as the right of any individual or institution to decide to what extent the information related to them can be and should be communicated to others. So, breach of privacy happens when personal information is collected, used, and shared without the consent of the authorized person or business concern. Now, steps to protect privacy. How to protect the privacy? So, first of all, avoid sharing your personal profile on the social networking site. Also, don't share your login details with anyone. Login details for social networking or Gmail account or any confidential details. Immediately delete the sensitive data when not in use. Understood? Also, it is advisable to uh, delete or any type of sensitive information like password or any bank sensitive bank details. Look up your system when you are not using it. So, and never click on the link sent to you via text or email from a stranger. This is very important to protect privacy. Now, what is software piracy? Software piracy is the act of copying and distributing copies of software illegally. So, usually we need a license or a copyright to copy an original software. So, we are doing software piracy, when we purchase a software single license copy and install it on several computers. So this is also known as soft lifting. If you have a single license single for single PC, we should not distribute it among the different users. So we make copies of the copyrighted software and distribute them. It also software piracy when we make copies of the copyrighted software and distributed them. Next, when we install unauthorized copy of software on the personal computer and earn money, and we sell copies of when we sell copies of software for temporary use, we sell or buy the software CD DVD on rent. So this may also doing software piracy when we buy the sell or buy the software CD DVD on rent. Now, how to prevent steps to prevent software piracy. So always buy a licensed copy of software and follow terms and condition of the license for each software product you purchase, and never make copies and circulate them. If software is available online, download it directly from the manufacturer website. Okay. So in this way this is secure also. So always try to download the product from the direct from the manufacturer website. Also register your software to avoid soft lifting. Okay, this is very important to register your software. Another is intellectual property of property rights. What is intellectual property rights? Legal property rights of a person on his her artistic, intellectual and commercial creation is known as the intellectual property. Okay, so under this law, owners have a certain exclusive right over the use of their creations for a certain period of time. You know, uh, generally in India the validity period of the patents is 20 years from the date of filing the patent application. So no, also when you see sometimes the name of the movie, no one can keep the same name of the movie, you know. So there is certain validity period of the patents. Generally in India it is for 20 years, you know. This right ensure that the creators hard work is safe and protected from unauthorized copying and piracy. So patent, how to patent protect intellectual property right. So valid, so it is right related to the new invention that grants the inventor the sole right to make, use and sell the invention of a specific period of time. That's true. So validity period patent is 20 years from date of filing of the patent. I hope you understood what are the intellectual property rights. Thanks for watching.